Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to enable videos, YouTube videos, or any other videos on your Outlook email. So first, if you're using Outlook software and you're using Gmail, that in Outlook you can uh, you know do some make some trick which I show you. Okay, so if I go in new emails and if I want to enable it here video. So first you have to, if you copy video links from YouTube video, I show you. Here I'm on YouTube, and if I click on this YouTube video, and if I want to share it, so I click on share. Then I have to copy this link, and I can paste these links, or you can paste this link on text or image. So you can see, watch this video, and you just select the text, go to the insert, go to the insert and go to the links, and just paste the video links and just click on. Then hyperlink will be come hyperlink be visible here, and anybody can click on this text and watch this video. If you want to thumbnails and like YouTube thumbnails and anything, so first you have to play video. Okay, so if this is my video, okay, so I just pause it, just make it full size, and get the screenshot by entering print scan button on your keyboard. And now come back to the Outlook and just hit the Control and V. So when, okay, you can make it small, okay, as per your requirement, or you can edit from your editor. Okay, I just make it small, and if you click on it and click on in front text, you can move it anywhere if you want. Okay, I just make it small as want, and select this image, and now you have to go in insert, go to the links, and you can hit the links from videos. You can copy links from here, just click on share, and you can copy from here and just paste link here. Then your thumbnails will be enabled, and if anybody click on it, the video will be play on new tab. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.